So this is question 2 for the Chapter 2, Section 1 review from the quiz we took. So the question says, using the graph of f of x is equal to x squared as a guide, describe the transformations, and then graph g of x is equal to negative 1/4 times the quantity x plus 1 squared. Again, in class, I didn't require you to graph it. I just wanted to make sure that you knew how to describe the transformations. So again, the different types of transformations. Are vertical, stretch, or compression, again, remembering it's a stretch if it's greater than 1, it's a compression if it's less than 1. Then you have a horizontal translation, and remember it's opposite of what's inside the parentheses. You have vertical translations, and what you see is what you get, so same. And then you also have reflections over the x-axis. Okay, so first things first, we do have a negative. So that negative is telling us that this for sure has a reflection. So the first transformation is a reflection over the x-axis. Then we have a 1/4. So we have a vertical. And then you go back over to here and remember a stretch is greater than 1 while a compression is less than 1. So 1/4 is less than 1. So this is going to be a vertical compression by a factor of 1/4. And then last but not least, we have a plus side on the inside of the parentheses. Because it's on the inside, it is a horizontal translation, 1 unit, to the left. We know it's to the left because it's plus 1 here, so it has to be minus or to the left here. Since there's nothing added or subtracted to the outside of our function, we are now officially done. There is no vertical translation. Had there been like a -2 out here or something like that, then we would have a vertical translation, but we don't in this example. All right. So again, the goal when describing transformations is that you need to write it out. So a reflection over x-axis, vertical compression by 1/4. You do have to make sure that you state what the factor is for your compression or your stretch. And then you need to state both the horizontal and vertical translations if you have them. That is the end of this example, okay? You don't have to graph it. However, please remember that if you were to graph it, it would be facing down and it would be wide. Okay? That's two key things so that you can understand pretty quickly. Also, you should be able to see very fast that the vertex is -1, given the fact that our horizontal translation is just 1 to the left and that there is absolutely no translation vertically. Okay? That is the end of this example.